Hello, my name is Vince and I'm going to demonstrate how to deploy multiple files using a baseline. For this scenario, I have a stream with a few files. Obviously, this is just an example. In the real world, you'll have many hundreds of files potentially split across multiple folders, but these few will suffice. This stream is related to areas which I have created in the admin console. I have an area related to the dev stage and another area related to the SIT stage. And here you can see that my stream is related to the area for dev and also for SIT. On disk, this is the dev area. The 3 files in my stream have already been deployed on creation, as the area was defined with the flag to automatically deploy new files. And I also have a baseline which I created on my stream, which contains the 3 files. So in order to deploy the files related to this baseline, I would promote the baseline. So here in Desktop Client, I right-click on the baseline and select Promote. Choose my next stage, which is SIT. In this case, I'm going to deploy as soon as possible, but I could equally schedule this for a time in the future. And here's the area that I'm going to use for the deployment. And I can click Finish, and the baseline should be promoted. In the Desktop Client console window, you can see the command is issued and the fact that 3 files were processed. If we take a look at the web client, this is the deployment tab. I'll just do a quick refresh, and you can see here that we have an entry for the promotion of the baseline, and then the subsequent deployment. Just expand that, deployed as a result of a promote operation. And you can click on the succeeded link, and it will show you the information about what happened to the deployed items. All 3 were copied to the relevant location. And in fact, here you can see in the SIT area that all the files have been deployed. Thank you for watching, and that's it. Thanks very much.